How to use Google Photos Movie feature. To use the Google Photos Movie feature, first of all, you have to launch the Google Photos application on your device. Once you open it, you simply have to now tap the Create button or the plus icon on the top right. From here, you simply have to go ahead and tap on this Highlight Video option. Once you tap Once you tap on this, all you have to do is now go ahead and select your desired template over here. Now switch to this Use Template option or simply tap on this Select Content. From here, you can select your photos on your gallery or videos. Once you select them, all you have to do is now go ahead and tap Create on the top right. You can select up to 50 photos or videos. Once you do this, your highlight video or movies will be created. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.